Hey everyone! In this video we'll see how to make gooseberry pickle. This is a simple and easy pickle that is spicy and deliciously tart. I have used star gooseberries here. You can easily recreate the same with Indian gooseberries or Amla. Start off by taking 500 grams of gooseberries, rinse and clean them and cut off any bruised edges. To this add quarter cup of red chilli powder, half a cup of salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix this well and set aside. Next, in a tadka pan, heat gingerly oil. When the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, and 1 teaspoon asafoetida. Pour this tadka over the gooseberry mixture. Mix well until uniformly combined. And scoop into sterilized jars. Let sit for 7 days in a dry corner of your kitchen. Spicy and tart gooseberry pickle is ready. For more such delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss our videos.